Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going out to an island plus lake which is called Seurasaari. It's an open air museum. There we will see the old wooden buildings. It's an attractive tourist spot. There is also a long bridge to walk. I have seen it in the map. I have watched many videos about Seurasaari, so we are interested to go there. It is a nice sunny day, beautiful summer. Temperature is 20 degrees Celsius plus. Morning is not crowded, so we decided to go in the morning. So we arrived. You need to put the parking disc. 4 hours parking is free. We actually went there near, the lake, but we didn't find the parking, so I put here in the street parking. Yes. I locked my car. Then we started walking. It is usually difficult to find parking in Helsinki, especially if in the tourist spot. But if you go early, you can find the parking. I parked here in the street parking. It's allowed to park here for 4 hours. It's not very far, just we had to walk 2 minutes. Okay. Kids are excited to go see the Seurasaari. This is the pedestrian lane. You are allowed to walk. You are the priority. This is the parking area or parking sign. You can see free parking for 4 hours, what we didn't find. Now we arrived at the long bridge. The kids were tired, so we rested for a while. Beautiful lake, nice place, clean water. Surrounding is cool, so we took some pictures, then continued walking. There are some instructions also if you want to read, but I don't understand the language, so I just kept walking. It's not in the Finnish language. The bridge is long, but it's nice to walk there. We spotted some boats there. Yeah, there are also 2 boats. You can also take a boat if you want to go inside the lake. The weather is nice. It's not very hard. You can manage. There are some safety materials. If somebody, accidentally jumps into the lake, there is a sign that don't feed the birds. So the bridge is done. Now we spotted the first building. I don't know if it's a museum or what. Nice flowers, beautiful place, greenery everywhere. There are more instructions if you want to read. There is a bird expecting something, but here you can feed the birds, but we don't have anything to feed them. So there is a cottage, old cottage. It's closed. We just stayed for a while and took some pictures. It's really a silent island. It feels really nice, walking here. There is another cottage. It is also closed. It's so old and ancient. We actually want to go inside and see what is there, but it's closed. Here is another one, ancient, above the ground. Looks interesting. There is another one in the air. We stayed for a while, took the pictures, and bullied the kids. We asked the small guy was annoying us. We told him we can just bring you inside. There is a witch which can give you an ice cream or whatever you like. But it's nice, you can enjoy there, relax your mind. Kids are just like that, they are always annoyed whenever they go outside. They ask for ice cream or snack, something like that. So they want what they want. You can't stop them, you can't resist them. You just need to follow them or just try to insist them to wait until you are done. And it's also challenging to gather them in one place and take the pictures. That's how they are. Nature cannot be changed. Take Zen with you. But the autistic boy is okay. He is not very annoyed. We spotted another old cottage. It's open. The kids went inside one by one. Zen, go inside. It's old and ancient, dark inside. There is a fire extinguisher. Looks like a witch house. Anyway, something interesting was found. Now they're okay. They went outside. It is a nice place. Atmosphere is clean. Nice to relax your mind. There is another museum. So we went inside just to see. It is called Museo Kaupa. Maybe you can buy also the things inside if you like. There are antiques. Kids were excited to go inside, but again, they are not much interested to stay and see everything. It is a nice place to sit and take pictures, but we stayed only a few minutes because again, they are annoyed. They want to go outside and see more places. What they are interested in toys and rides, and of course, ice cream. So we continued walking. We saw something. I don't know what is this, but it's nice. There are many museums, in here around, but we don't have time to go and see every single museum what is inside because kids are not interested at all. So again, we sat for a while, restore our energy. Backside there is another museum. This looks like a wind power or big fan. I don't know, just to fan the entire city. We took some pictures and kept walking. There is another museum. Here are the old houses. There is another museum, so we sat for a while. Again, we took the pictures. The kids are now extremely annoyed because they are looking for ice cream. This place looks so clean, it's so nice to sit here for a while. The island is very big. Actually, there are so many people, it's a lot of tourists. We have seen them, but you don't find, people around you because the island is big, so, they are in different places. We found an ice cream corner, but it's closed. The kids are angry, they are disappointed. The small boy activated an emergency siren. EV. They are in bad mood. They don't have interest, to continue further walking, so we decided to go back. Even no interest in taking pictures. Day out with the kids is challenging sometimes, you just need to follow them. It's very difficult because you have so many plans, but you cannot execute all of them. You need to follow them. The worst case is they get annoyed because they want something and you can't find here, then you just need to follow them. So we are going back now. There are so many places, so many museums and a lot of spots that we didn't visit yet, but we have seen them from outside. It's so nice. The nature is clean and calm. The place is cool, relaxing, refreshing the mind, and it's good to be out in the nature after your weekly busy schedule. Not just work, earn, and pay the bills. You need to spare some time for yourself because stress plus fatigue affects your mental health. Spare some time to go out in the nature and relax. It's a beautiful, relaxing place, nice tourist spot. And of course, if you come, you better document your visit by taking some pictures and videos, put them in your cell phone, save them, or post them on the social media so every time you watch them and get your memory refreshed. It was amazing visit. It's a nice place. So we are now back to the bridge, long walking. Kids are excited this time because they know that they are heading towards the ice cream corner. So we arrived here. Yeah, the kioski ice cream corner. So we had ice creams. I bought four, €5 each, three for the kids and one for Madame. I was not interested to eat, so I didn't buy for myself, but at least others enjoy the ice cream. Now it's time to go back. The parking is not very far. It's just 2 minutes walk from there. I have seen also the buses stop, just near the parking space. It's more near. Probably the buses comes here, so you can come and visit this place even you don't have car. So now we are going back to the parking area. It's just 2 minutes, not very far. I found parking in the street parking. Now you can see a lot of parking spaces are there. Parking is free, 4 hours parking. And every time when you arrive at your parking spot, don't forget to check if you have any penalty or sacco because you never know. You get one. So no penalty, no sacco, no violation. Kids are already fixed. It's time to go home. They're still eating their ice cream, so I'm not going to wake. Probably I will be driving. The kids said they had a nice day. Probably they are referring to the ice cream right now, but it was a nice day. As I said, just don't focus on work, earn, and pay the bills. It is nice to spare some time for yourself. Go out in the nature and enjoy your day. Relax and refresh your mind. Restore your energy for the next day. Because continuous stress and fatigue affects your mental health. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.